Hello, welcome back. I'm Ron. Bear with me on this video. It's a little different from my normal videos, and by no means am I claiming to be any type of inspirational or motivational speaker. That's not the case at all. But as I approach my 60s, I think I got a few words of wisdom to share with those in their 20s and maybe even your early 30s. And one thing I know with absolute certainty is this, that life is simply about balance. Balance is the key to everything. Excess in anything is never a good thing. It's as simple as that. If you're drinking too much, gambling, partying. So even if you're a workaholic and you push too hard in one of these areas of your life or any specific single area of your life, then every other aspect of your life is at some point going to suffer or be sacrificed. And let me say that you can apply this one thought to almost any area of your life. Find balance in your life. And I'll admit that that's not often easy to do. So hang in there. It's an ongoing struggle, even for myself, to maintain and keep that balance within my life with other areas of my life. And I'm just going to toss that one out as being an obvious one, or should be an obvious one to most people. But if you haven't heard that before, there's more truth to that one than probably anything else in this video. Okay, with that being said, the first brutal truth is going to be this one. No one is coming to save you. In your 20s, it's easy to think that someone, maybe a mentor, a boss, or even a partner will give you some sort of key to success. And the truth is, you're 100% responsible for your life. You and you alone and nobody else. So if you want something in life, take action today, not tomorrow. Even if it's a small baby incremental step toward that goal, it's those small incremental steps that are going to get you to your end goal. Okay, the second brutal truth, time is your most valuable asset. You're young. When you're young, it feels like you have an unlimited amount of time to do everything. But trust me, the years, they fly by, and they fly by even faster the older you get. Every moment wasted on the things that don't matter, a bad relationship, mindless distractions, or waiting for motivation is simply time that you'll just never get back. Invest your time wisely. Put it into things like skills, relationships, and experiences that truly benefit the future you. Okay, third brutal truth, hard work is going to beat talent when talent doesn't work hard at all. And I'm sure you've heard that one before. But raw talent only gets you so far. The people who win in life aren't always the smartest, not always the most gifted. They're the ones who overwork everyone else in the room. They show up every day, put in the effort. They don't make excuses. The grind isn't glamorous, but it separates those who succeed from those who don't. Okay, number 4, brutal truth is that your health is non-negotiable. In your 20s, you might feel invincible, but bad habits catch up with you eventually. Junk food, lack of exercise, and poor sleep will take its toll over time. Prioritize your health now, because once it's gone, getting it back is a battle that you don't want to fight. So lift weights, eat right, take care of your mind, your body, and it'll pay off in ways that you can't even imagine. I'm 57. I'm still at the gym 3, 4, 5 times a week, and I love it. So hopefully you'll listen to what I'm saying because I'm talking from experience. Okay, the 5th brutal truth, no one cares about your excuses. They only care about your results. Life doesn't reward effort, it rewards execution. You can have 1,000 reasons why something didn't work out, but at the end of the day, all that matters is what you actually accomplished. Stop blaming your circumstances, stop waiting for things to be perfect, and start making things happen. Excuses won't pay the bills or build your legacy. Simply put, results will. And number 6, and this is one of my personal favorites, the partner that you choose in life can make or break you. And this may be one of the most important decisions you're ever going to make in your life, is who you choose as a partner. Choosing the wrong partner can derail even the best laid out financial plans. I don't care who you are. And let me put this in perspective. As of 2024, the divorce rates in the US remain around 40 to 50% for first marriages. And then that percentage goes up for second and third marriages. It keeps increasing. And from what I've seen, I would say half of those marriages, at least one of the parties of that marriage, are probably miserable in the relationship. To put that in perspective, imagine you're about to go skydiving and there's a 1 in 4 chance that your parachute won't open. Would you still jump out of the plane? I wouldn't. So sorry, but this is a kind of a analogy should underscore the importance of selecting the right partner in life who complements and supports your growth. Rushing into a marriage before you've figured out for yourself who you are is a huge mistake. Be comfortable in your own skin first. Build a life that you're proud of and choose a partner who aligns with that growth and that doesn't hold you back. Your 20s are a time to build a foundation for the rest of your life. If you embrace these brutal truths now, you'll be ahead of 99% of the people out there. Most people won't take this advice. At least they won't take it to heart. And it's just how most people are wired. People learn best through their own personal experiences and not off the advice of others. So I doubt many of you hearing this message will actually take action on anything that I've said. So if there's one thing that I hope that at least one of you will take away from this, is you have more time than you think in your 20s. It's easy to feel lost, unsure, or like you're falling behind. But on this one, you're going to have to trust me that every person that you look up to was, at least at one point, exactly where you are right now. I often joke with my friends that you couldn't pay me enough, and this is absolutely true. You couldn't pay me enough to do my 20s over again. That's how tough things were for me personally. So just keep moving forward. All you need to do is take one small step each day toward the thing that you want for yourself at some point down the road. And remember, every failure, every setback, every moment of doubt is just part of the process. You're not supposed to have it all figured out yet. I'm 57. I still don't have it all figured out yet. And the truth is, no one does, despite what they tell you. Focus on growth, stay disciplined, and bet on yourself, because the person you become over the next 10, 20, 30 years will be shaped by who you are and the decisions that you make today. And let me quickly say that I hope this video being shared is just something that helps at least one person. It's not for everybody, but I did just want to put it out there for those who may be struggling in their 20s and, like I said, early 30s. Feel free to share your comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic, and let me know if you think I missed anything that belongs in the list. That's it. Hope you got something out of it. See you in the next one.